In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language in Zoho Books so you can create invoices, quotes, and other documents in the language that suits your business needs. Start by heading to Settings and then click on PDF Templates under the Customization section. To create a new multilingual template, click plus New, choose a template style, and then select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to save the template so your changes are applied. If you want to change the language in an existing template, open it and manually update the text fields with your desired language. Take it one field at a time, double check for accuracy, and save your changes when done. And that's it. Now your Zoho Books documents can be customized in the language that fits your business, making your communication with international clients professional and seamless. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.